tell me about yourself, is a common question in the interviews. What to say, and what not to say, is still confusing for some. Well, here we are presenting what to say when the interviewer asks you, tell me about yourself. The answer is divided into 10 simple steps, so that you can easily remember it and can reproduce it without any difficulties. Remember, these 10 steps are enough for you to answer, tell me about yourself. Nothing more to add on, or nothing less to get deleted. Let's get into the details. Step 1. Start with a warm greeting. Hello, good evening. Start like this, only if it is the first question. Some may ask this as the last question. Then avoid this beginning. Also, if there are more than one interviewers, then say, hello, good evening everyone. Step 2. Gratitude. Thank the interviewer for the given opportunity. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. Or, thank you for giving me an opportunity to talk about myself. If you are a good communicator, you can include, I'm glad that you asked me this question. Step 3. Tell your full name. My full name is Arthur Maxworth. Step 4. Qualification, and a total year of experience. I am a BSc nurse, with 8 years of experience. Step 5. Your most recent profile. That is, most recent position, company, years of experience, awards, major responsibilities, impact, or changes. I have worked as an ICU nurse at the city hospital for the last 4 years. During that time, I've undergone multiple training courses, earned a number of certifications. As an ICU nurse, I have handled a variety of responsibilities. Major responsibilities being closely observing patients, assisting doctors in providing physical assessments, and administering treatments. Monitoring vital signs, and ensuring the proper functions of feeding tubes, ventilators, catheters, and other life support equipment. Attending to the patient's overall needs and so on. Also, as an ICU nurse, I work efficiently with other practical nurses and nursing assistants in the ICU ward. I have also been able to provide support and education to the patient's family, answering questions and giving vital instructions on how to care for the patient. I feel proud and motivated being an ICU nurse who has to play a crucial part in the recovery of many lives. Step 6. Additional certifications, if any. I have passed the national licensing exam and hold a certification as a critical care nurse. Step 7. Describe yourself. I'm a motivated, self-starter, and a team player. To me, there's nothing more satisfying than helping people out when they need it at the most. Step 8. Your interests. Hobbies and passion. Apart from my career, I find time to be social and gardening. Spending time with daylilies in my garden makes me refreshed and happy. Step 9. Family. Now, this is optional. However, I prefer to say this, because most of them will ask about it. There are 5 members in my family. To begin with, my father, a retired government servant, and my lovely mother. She is a housemaker, who is always a supporting pillar for me. Now, my siblings, one younger brother and sister, both are studying. Step 10. Closing. You should convey why you are the best for the position, or why you are applying. Although I love my current role, Now it's time to move on. I am ready to take up much more responsibilities. Your job position is challenging, and that makes me really interested. Well, that's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Please like this video and encourage us.
Subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Kindly comment your suggestions and help us do better.